Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best identity roller stamp is probably one of the most essential tools for safeguarding your personal information in today's digital age, offering a simple yet effective way to obscure sensitive details on documents before disposal, thereby preventing potential identity theft and ensuring your privacy remains intact. Number 5. Vantamo Identity Theft Protection Roller Stamp. Guard your personal data at home or in the office with this essential tool. Prevent identity theft by quickly masking sensitive information on mail, documents, or labels, ensuring your details remain private and secure. Effortlessly block out sensitive text with this address blocker roller. It's designed for quick, one-handed use, making it much faster than scraping off labels or using a marker. Even first-time users will find it simple to use. This makes it a practical confidential roller stamp for anyone needing to protect their information. This convenient redaction marker is fully refillable and comes with 3 ink refills. You won't run out when you need it most, thanks to the specially designed ink for hiding information. Protecting your privacy also helps the environment. After use, your documents are ready to be safely recycled, making it a smart alternative to shredding or tossing them. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions or concerns, our team is here to help ensure you have reliable protection and peace of mind. What we like. This option offers a wide coverage area and includes 3 ink refills, ensuring you won't run out of ink. It also allows for paper recycling after use, making it an eco-friendly choice. If you're looking for a sustainable and long-lasting solution for protecting your documents, this is a great pick. What people say. This roller stamp is a great way to protect your personal information. It covers up text effectively and is easy to use. Number 4. Miseyo Wide Identity Theft Protection Roller Stamp, Yellow. Tired of shredding? Our roller stamp allows you to recycle paper immediately after use, making it a fantastic alternative to a traditional shredder. With its generous 1.5-inch coverage, this roller stamp quickly and cleanly hides large areas of private information. Its compact size makes it easy to handle. Safeguard your sensitive documents like bank statements, social security numbers, and credit card information. Prevent identity theft and unwanted privacy disclosures with a simple roll. Never worry about running out of ink again. This roller stamp features an easy-to-access ink hole for unlimited refills, ensuring it's always ready to protect your privacy. Ditch the tedious shredding and scribbling. Our roller stamp offers a quick and safe solution to instantly hide your private information, saving you valuable time. Simply roll over your confidential details to obscure them effectively. It's designed for most paper types, offering a convenient way to maintain your privacy. What we like. This set provides a wide coverage roller stamp with 3 ink refills and the ability to refill the ink indefinitely. It's a fantastic time saver compared to shredding or scribbling. If you deal with a lot of documents that need quick and efficient redaction, especially on non-glossy surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. The roller stamp is a great way to protect your personal information. It effectively covers up sensitive details on documents, preventing identity theft. The stamp is easy to use and provides a clean, consistent mark. Number 3. ExcelMark Rolling Identity Theft Stamp, Large. Introducing the ExcelMark Rolling Identity Theft Stamp, your ultimate solution for safeguarding personal data. It effectively conceals sensitive information like social security numbers and bank statements. With its generous 1.5-inch wide roller, this stamp covers large areas of private information quickly and cleanly. Its adjustable length ensures a smooth and efficient experience. Save valuable time with this innovative tool. The wide coverage and quick-drying ink allow you to obscure more documents faster than a traditional paper shredder. This stamp comes pre-inked for your convenience. Simply remove the cover and start swiping. It's designed for safe and straightforward operation. Enjoy extended use with a total coverage length of up to 100 meters. When the ink runs low, simply refill it on the side for continued protection. What we like. This stamp boasts a wide and adjustable length roller for quick coverage and unlimited re-inking. The ink dries fast, making it significantly faster than a paper shredder. If you need a fast, efficient, and endlessly reusable solution for covering large amounts of sensitive information, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The roller stamp is a great way to protect your personal information from identity theft. It is easy to use and covers a wide area, making it efficient for stamping documents. The ink is smudge-proof and dries quickly, ensuring a clean and legible mark. Number 2. Guard Your ID Advanced Wide Roller. Are you concerned about identity theft? Keep your sensitive information safe and secure with this advanced security stamp. Its wide roller design ensures complete coverage, making it difficult for anyone to read your private details. Simply roll it over your documents to instantly obscure personal data. It's an easy and effective way to prevent fraud. Protect yourself from identity theft and maintain your privacy. This tool is essential for safeguarding your personal information. Ensure your sensitive mail, bills, and other documents are unreadable. It provides peace of mind in today's digital age. This security stamp is built to last, offering reliable protection whenever you need it. It's a smart investment in your security. What we like. This advanced roller stamp is specifically designed for identity theft prevention with a wide roller for security. It offers a robust way to protect your sensitive data. If your primary concern is strong identity protection and you prefer a dedicated security tool, this option is highly recommended. What people say. The roller stamp is a great tool for protecting your personal information. It effectively covers up sensitive data on documents, making them unreadable. The stamp is easy to use and provides a clean, consistent mark. Number 1. ExcelMark Rolling Identity Theft Guard Stamp. Introducing the ExcelMark Rolling Identity Theft Guard Stamp, your ultimate solution for safeguarding sensitive personal information. This innovative tool is designed to protect your privacy with ease and efficiency. Effectively conceal your social security number, bank statements, shipping addresses, and other confidential documents. It's perfect for junk mail, bills, and any paper containing private details. Its 1.5-inch wide roller provides extensive coverage, allowing you to quickly and cleanly hide information. The adjustable length makes swiping simple and fast, saving you valuable time. The ink dries rapidly, enabling you to cover more information in less time compared to traditional shredders. Streamline your document disposal process and enhance your security. This stamp comes pre-inked, so it's ready to go right out of the box. Simply open the cover and start swiping for safe and straightforward identity protection. Enjoy up to 100 meters of coverage with a single refill. When the ink runs low, easily refill it from the side for continuous, long-term protection. What we like. This stamp offers wide coverage with an adjustable length and unlimited re-inking capabilities, allowing it to cover up to 100 meters. It's pre-inked and easy to use, drying quickly for fast operation. If you need a reliable, long-lasting, and easy-to-use tool for frequent document redaction, this is a solid contender. What people say. The roller stamp is a great tool for protecting your personal information. It effectively covers up sensitive details like account numbers and addresses. The stamp is easy to use and provides a clean, smudge-free coverage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.